Need to inspire your team to do the best work? Our Performance Review collection provides customizable slides that can be used for any scenario. It includes slides for individual reviews, 30, 60, 90 reviews, 360-degree reviews, team-wide dashboards, and team scorecards. Let's review how these tools work and how each one can improve company culture and bring clarity and efficiency to your employee feedback. Performance reviews are a great way for employees and managers to track their development and set plans for future success. Studies show that 94% of employees will stay with a company longer if it invests in their development. It's hard to believe one more meeting can have such a big impact, but it's true. AirBnB developed a performance review system that doubled as a career development experience. The process involved 3 major steps: preparation, delivery, and follow-up. The most important part in preparation is a template. A customizable template will allow you to review exactly what you need for each employee. Most managers use the same evaluation form for specific roles to make the whole process a lot simpler. Capture the employee's accomplishments in advance, such as how many projects they've completed and the project quality. Because 69% of employees say they would work harder if they felt recognized, a clear rating systems will help employees see areas for improvement. Ratings can be based on both technical and soft skills. The skill list here can be easily added to or removed if need be. No matter what performance metrics you choose, it's extremely important that employees understand what each rating means and that it's fair. Studies show that 85% of employees would consider quitting if they felt they received an unfair review. It's also important to prepare a clear and consistent schedule for reviews. They should be done quarterly, monthly, or even weekly. And remember, if you like the tools in this presentation, you can download and customize it for your needs right now. Gallup found that when managers provide regular reviews throughout the year, team members are 5 times more likely to feel they've received meaningful feedback and 3 times more likely to be engaged and motivated. The 30, 60, 90 review uses the most widely accepted approach in the corporate world for new hires. It takes the first 90 days of an employee's role and splits it into 3 increments. It maximizes employee impact from day 1 since it aligns with the new hire's near-term goals with the company's mission. A good 30, 60, 90 plan outlines personal goals and breaks them down into smaller achievable tasks. It will also show the key success metrics that will be measured. Even for existing employees, the template provides a clear roadmap to success, and it's also helpful for quarterly evaluations. It can be used whenever you want someone to improve on something or accomplish new goals within a defined period. In a 360-degree review, you get the combined perspective of the employee, their manager, and their peers or reports all in one place. Companies such as Netflix, Microsoft, and Adobe now use a peer-based system instead of traditional one-to-one performance reviews. After Google switched to peer-based reviews, the percent of employees who found the feedback useful went from 49% to 75%. It's a way to compare self-reviews against observer reviews, usually 6 to 12 coworkers. It plots both the data from both the self and peer reviews against each other with the point differential so you can see the difference. This can provide a much-needed reality check to employees who may be overconfident in their abilities or who don't give themselves enough credit. A team-wide review is a great way to show appreciation for your team and their accomplishments. This slide includes a leaderboard and all the key performance metrics, such as weekly sales and the percentage increase or decrease compared to the previous week. The line graph below each team member are fully editable. They can be opened in Excel for a closer look. The team performance scorecard can be replicated for each department, and they show the target goals in relation to the actual results with ratings that show whether or not the results are off target or on target. It's a great way to see what areas needed to be singled out for improvement. Individual KPIs can be weighed by importance since some KPIs are valued more than others. Data from performance reviews can be displayed in an aggregated matrix to identify how much of the team is performing and at what capacity. In this example, 24% of the team is performing highly to the best of their abilities, while 5% is talented but underperforming in relation to their potential. When you need to set clearer expectations and goals, use the Management by Objectives or MBO system. This slide uses the SMART goal framework to make sure that what's being measured can be quantified and is achievable. The template outlines the starting objective on the left, and after undergoing the framework, it creates a better, clearer objective on the right side. Uncover new ways to visualize processes, organize teams, improve existing workflows, or even envision new ways of doing things with this performance review presentation, which you can download and customize right now. After that, go check out our action plan video for more resources on how to improve productivity and quickly accomplish your top goals. Thanks for watching.